Did you know outdated software systems cost pharmaceutical companies millions every year? From compliance fines of up to $1.5 million to hidden inefficiencies and IT costs exceeding $10 million. Legacy systems are silently draining revenue. That's why you need custom pharmaceutical software for your organization. It can help with the quality management automation, manufacturing process standardization, supply chain management, and more. The fact is that if you want to remain competitive in the current digitally driven world, investing in pharmaceutical software is essential. If you want to build pharma software, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll break down how pharmaceutical software is built. So let's begin. We'll first explore the types of pharmaceutical software solutions. Clinical trial management systems make running clinical studies much easier. They help teams plan the study, recruit participants, and keep track of progress, all while making sure everything follows strict guidelines like good clinical practice. Then you have laboratory information management systems. These are essential for labs. They help manage samples, organize test data, and keep records in one place, so everything stays accurate and easy to access. And finally, drug safety and pharmacovigilance tools. These systems come into play after a drug is released. They monitor how safe it is in the real world by tracking side effects and identifying any potential risks, so companies can take action quickly if needed. Now, what are the benefits of pharmaceutical software development? Data science provides better results. When all your data is connected in one place, things start to change. You can pull insights from different systems, analyze trends, and make smarter decisions. Whether it's planning, operations, or strategy, data helps pharma companies perform better and stay competitive. Ensure perfect regulatory compliance. In pharma, compliance isn't optional, it's critical. Your systems need to work together seamlessly while meeting strict regulations like HIPAA. When done right, you reduce risks like data breaches, misuse, and costly penalties. Stay ahead of tech trends. Healthcare technology is evolving fast, from precision medicine to preventive care. It's hard to predict what's next, but the key is to stay ready. With a scalable and flexible IT setup, your pharma business can adapt to new innovations as they come. Drive higher revenue automation can transform how your pharma company operates. By digitizing processes, you cut down manual work and reduce costs. It can be a smart drug ordering system that handles prescriptions and helps with customer conversions. Before we move to the process of building your pharmaceutical software, let's talk about the key features to include. First up, regulatory compliance. In the pharmaceutical industry, this is a must. Your software needs to align with strict regulations like FDA guidelines and HIPAA. That means every process, every piece of data, and every workflow must meet industry standards, so you avoid legal risks and ensure patient safety. Next is data security and encryption. Pharma companies deal with highly sensitive information, from patient records to research data. Strong encryption, secure access controls, and data protection measures are essential to prevent breaches and keep everything confidential. Then comes real-time tracking. Whether it's clinical trials, inventory, or manufacturing processes, having live data helps teams make faster and more accurate decisions. Instead of waiting for reports, you can monitor everything as it happens. Next is integration with lab systems. This ensures that data flows seamlessly across departments, reducing manual work, avoiding errors, and improving overall efficiency. And finally, audit trails. Every action within the system should be recorded right from data, changes to user activity. This not only helps with transparency, but is also critical for regulatory audits. Now, we'll walk you through the process of building pharmaceutical software. Step 1. Research and define your idea. Start by understanding the market. Look at your competitors, identify gaps, and define what your software will actually do. The goal here is to build something that's not just ambitious, but also practical and needed. Step 2. Understand regulations and stay compliant. Before you build anything, you need to know the rules. Pharmaceutical software has to meet strict regulations, so it's important to either do thorough research or consult experts to make sure you're on the right track from day one. Step 3. Choose your tech stack. You can use React or Vue.js for web development. Django or Ruby on Rails will be the best for the backend. For databases, you can go for PostgreSQL or MongoDB. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform are the best options for cloud services. Step 5. Design the user experience. Now it's time to visualize your product. create mockups, design the interface, and focus on making it clean and easy to use. In a complex industry like pharma, simplicity in design makes a huge difference. Step 6. Build and improve continuously. Start developing your software and bring your features to life. But don't stop there. Get feedback early, test key features with real users, and keep refining the product to make it more intuitive and effective. Step 7. Test everything thoroughly. Testing is critical in pharma software. Use both manual and automated testing to ensure everything works perfectly. If your system handles data, test it with different scenarios to make sure it's accurate and reliable. Finally, once everything is ready, launch your product. Now that you know how to build pharmaceutical software, let's move to the investment involved. The typical cost to build a solution ranges from $40,000 to $200,000, based on the purpose of the software, its complexity, the number of features, and the regulatory requirements. Enterprise-level software can easily exceed $500,000, and the basic one can start at $20,000. So, are you ready to build a pharmaceutical software solution? You can reach out to us to discuss your requirements. With 10+ years of experience in building scalable web solutions, our team of ex-Mang developers has successfully delivered advanced apps tailored to modern user needs. You can hire our ready-to-go expert talent for your project. We hope you found this video useful. See you soon in our next video.